How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch the Instagram app and sign in to your account. Navigate to your profile page at bottom right corner. Select three bar menu icon at top right. Scroll down, look for archive option. Select story archive from the menu at top left and choose story archive. Here you will see all your archive stories. Once you make sure you are on stories archive, you can easily delete it. But note that Instagram doesn't allow you to delete all your stories at once. So to delete a story, you need to select a particular story you want to delete. Then tap on the three dots icon at bottom right and select the delete button and tap delete. So manually you can easily delete one by one stories that are being archived, but not all the archived stories all at once. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.